Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana was not really affected by Bitcoin's short. It wasn't really a sell-off. There was a little bit of volatility today. Solana did hold quite well. Didn't even break below the Monday low, which was here, or Sunday low, Monday low, this swing low on Monday, yeah, which touched here the 38.2 retracement level. That all remains intact. Let's talk about the structures. They, to be honest, haven't really changed, but I wanted to issue, let's say, a word of caution. So first of all, we're still following our main thesis here. Been talking about that for a while now. Here on the 23rd of January, obviously the idea is that wave 4 bottomed and that now this wave 5 is unfolding, and that should take us ideally to $190. Maybe we don't quite get there. It really depends on if the yellow or the orange count is playing out. Difficult to distinguish these two at the moment. In the yellow count, we have an ending diagonal pattern. 1, 2, then ABC in wave 3, wave 4 pullback, and it is technically possible to call it complete. Wave 5, okay? So we have 5 waves up, and to be honest, this ending diagonal could be complete, technically speaking. 5 waves up, but the last move up isn't a very clear 3-wave move for me, and it's also a little bit shorter than ideal. Therefore, I prefer further upside, at least one more high in a more extended 5th wave. After the 4th wave bottomed here on the 5th of March, the 4th wave of this diagonal, I would prefer a more clear A, B, C structure. Now, if that means the B was here or we go a little lower for the B, not a problem. Definitely we need to stay above the red line to keep this assumption alive of one more high. So I hope that's clear. We have technically enough waves in place to call the structure complete, but only the bare minimum. And that doesn't mean it has to be complete. It just means that if we now see a stronger pullback, I call this move up, the entire move up, complete, and not like a high B wave or anything, but it will probably be a larger degree 3rd wave. So we'll talk about that maybe tomorrow. So when I cover the daily chart again. But anyway, it's not preferred. So I prefer that we get one more high in the yellow count in a more extended ABC structure, because in a diagonal, we're dealing with ABC structures, right? So that's the yellow count. And then the orange count is a more aggressive one. It's a different, larger degree assumption. Here we're dealing with a large ABC structure, and the C wave is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 should still push a little higher, then wave 4 and wave 5. The wave 3 should minimally reach $174. So if we go up quite directly to 174, maybe even 183, then we are likely in the orange count, and then we should still see another 4-5 pattern. Basically, it's quite simple. I prefer further upside, one more high or 2 more highs. There are 2 support levels, 2 support ranges. The upper support range so far is holding, and as long as the upper support range between $134 and $142 is holding, the orange count has a chance, which is ideal because that's the one that should take us to 190. A break below 134 would still allow the yellow count to form one more extension, as per my yellow count here. And the relevant support here is $117.97. Only below $117.97, I would assume a more substantial top is in place. That would then need to be confirmed by a break below the red line here at round about $110. But for now, until we see clear evidence that the top is in place, I prefer one more high. Yeah? Bare minimum of waves is in place, but that's really just the minimum, not really ideal yet. For the more ideal structure, one more high. Yeah, that's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.